Give me 5.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Sure, come back the way you came. Wow. Wow!
Have a look in the active campaign kind of while we're on screen and kind of see what's going on.
Somebody please unclick the loop.
Ma'am, please stop resisting. I'm gonna take this ma'am, I'm gonna take this harness off you now.
Wick, what are you doing? Nope.
Blankets are safe zones. Don't tell the cat doggos underneath.
Time of 9-9.
Joe, we hear you. Sassy teenager.
Whoa, let's go inside.
Need a spell to get your dog out of the car?
The ramp! Come here! Lucy! Come here! Come here! Look at you making olive.
Don't take things personally. He's in charge.
Dog spa? Nah. Nature dropped a puddle party right outside.
Have you seen a train before?
An introvert's worst nightmare. Their favorite spot is occupied.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
Oh, hey, Grandma. Yeah, me and Nico, we're just relaxing right now.
What happened that day will remain a mystery.
Stop.
Stop it!
Just a flexible noodle with big dreams and snack ambitions.
摔下去啊，干啥呢？
I am a boy.
You're taking a bath, and it's final. Do you hear me? You're.
You know it's gonna be a good day when you get to work, and boom, there's a puppy.
Art historians will call this the creation of Dogan.
Sit. Stay.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Okay. Alright, you win.
Yes.
Maji, did you go in the garbage? Who went in that garbage?
Good job.
Wore a dress once, now she her royal fluffness to everyone.
Oh my God! What is that?
That moment when your privacy is just a myth.
Wow. You see how cool is it? You see?
This isn't just a bed, it's a vibe, a life. When the dog's so chill, the vacuum starts questioning its life choices.
That's what Santa brought you. Do you like it?
Unbothered, unstoppable. Beach mode activated.
Vaughn's right. Today was their 15th wedding anniversary.
Look at those spins.
This pup's just checking you're still her favorite person on earth.
Let's have a look. Show me.
And he went up there and he was coming back down towards us. And did you eat all of your treats? Cooper.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
Wait a tail wagging minute. Is that my dad on the magic box?
Dad just made Dolly the biggest mud puddle ever, huh? He just dug that out and now you're...
What?
Digby! Digby!